Hello students, today we are going to take one of the interesting stories by Ruskin Bond, and the story is The Boy Who Broke the Bank. Now, before starting about the writer, I don't think there must be anyone who has never read a story by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a very famous writer of British descent, Indian writer of British descent, who has written more than 500 stories. More than 150 books have been published. Some are poetry anthologies, some are, and most of them are related to child fiction, for books for children. For his contribution, even the Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role, and they have applauded his contribution to literature related to children. Now, he even got Sahitya Academy Award. Not only that, but he has been awarded twice by the Padma Awards, that is Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Ruskin Bond, his stories, if we see, are simple, and yet they suggest a lot. He never gives a message. He never dictates something, but still we learn. And even in this story, that is The Boy Who Broke the Bank, he is giving us an advice. He is actually not giving an advice, but we can learn a lot from the story, especially if we see the scenario now, when we are using so much of social media, and every second we get to know something or the other. We get to know news. We learn about something. And many a time, whatever is being circulated is just a rumor. Now, what is a rumor? What is a rumor? If I am saying that the story, The Boy Who Broke the Bank, talks about how a rumor can lead to certain actions. So what is a rumor? Actually, a rumor is a talk, report or any such thing of doubtful nature which has not been verified. Means we don't know whether it is true or whether it is right or wrong. We don't know whether something is truth about it, but just we hear it from somewhere, and we somewhere are responsible for spreading it again to someone. Yes? So what is a rumor? Rumor is any talk, report or hearsay of doubtful nature. Means we are not sure whether it is correct. Nature or unverified statement. We have not verified whether the news is correct or not. So many rumors we hear every day. Why? Now people are very active on social media. Sometimes when we verify, we come to know that the rumor has been circulated so many times. And there are many a time the effects are very bad. If we see around, if you go through newspaper every day, you will realize that because of rumors, so many times people lost their loved ones, they lost their lives, because others, without verifying whether the news was correct or not, other people reacted or took action. So it is necessary. So I will not go in detail about what is a rumor now. I will start with the interesting story by Ruskin Bond, The Boy Who Broke the Bank. Now, who is this boy who broke the bank? The boy is Nathu. And who is this boy? He is actually a sweeper boy. Okay, what is his work? He is sweeping and he gets his pay from his work. Now, he was a sweeper at People Nagar Bank, and the bank was owned by whom? The bank was owned by Seth Govind Ram. Now, Nathu was sweeping, that was his work. And the dust was rising and again settling down. You must have seen people doing same. When they are not interested in the work they are doing, what they do? They do it carelessly, and same with Nathu. He was grumbling. And why he was grumbling? Because, why? Actually he was not in a good mood and he was banging his dust pan, and at the same time, who passed by from that side? Sitaram passed by them. Till now, which characters I have taken mentioned? Nathu, the sweeper boy, then Seth Govind Ram, the owner of People Nagar Bank, and Sitaram, who is he? He is the son of washerman. Now, he was on his delivery round, and what he was doing exactly? He was carrying a big bundle of freshly pressed clothes. Pressed, ironed. The clothes were ironed from the shop, and he was carrying the bundle of clothes to deliver at the house wherever from there they have taken. Now he had balanced it on his head and he was hurriedly going by when he saw Nathu grumbling. Now he said, "Don't raise such dust. You are going to spoil the clothes which are washed and ironed." So he asked Nathu, "Are you grumbling? Are you angry because they are paying you extra 2 rupees a month?" Now this story has been written a way back. I told you, Ruskin Bond, actually if we see his career as a writer, he wrote his first book at the age of 17. And if we see the long span, 6 decades, more than 6 decades, to 6 to 7 decades for this profession he has devoted. He is more than 80 years now, maybe 85 or 86, and out of these 6 decades he has been writing. So maybe the story, when it was written, even 2 rupees was much, and that's why Sitaram asked Nathu, "Are they still refusing to pay you extra 2 rupees?" Now, Nathu was really very angry. Why? Because he said, "I don't want to talk about all these things. What about 2 rupees? They have not even paid me the regular salary. And this is 20th of the month." So, Nathu was grumbling because he didn't receive his salary, even though half means more than 15 days were over. Now, he said, whenever we talk about bank, what ideas we have in our head? That bank is something where much money is there. So a person like Seth Govind Ram, who is owning a bank, must be very rich and he must be having much money. Yes. So he said, why they are not paying me, a poor man like me, I don't know. He said, if they will not pay me, I will leave the work next week. And he was banging that pan loudly to express his anger. Now, Sitaram said, "Okay, I will keep a lookout." What do you mean by lookout? Lookout means search. Lookout means search. He said that I will search for a job for you. And he walked barefoot. Barefoot means he was not wearing any footwear along the road. The big bundle of clothes were hiding most of his head and shoulders. He was carrying a big bundle on his head. Okay. Now, this is how the story starts. How does the story start? Nathu, the sweeper boy, he works at People Nagar Bank, owned by Seth Govind Ram, and Nathu is grumbling. Why? Because he has not been paid his salary, though it is 20th of that month. Sitaram asks him, and that time Nathu grumbles. So Sitaram assures him that he will search, he will see if there is any job suitable for Nathu. Okay. Now, this was the first part of the video. In the second part of the video, we will see whether Sitaram helped Nathu in finding other job. Okay. Thank you.